Hi, my name is Kaming. I'm from the group Recipes. Today we're going to show a full demonstration of our multi-touch table. It will be done by one of my group member, Jeremy. So sit back and relax as we show you recipes. Recipes with ease.
Alright, today we're going to begin with a demonstration of our Recipease Cooking Table. To begin, we shall turn on the table. Now we'll proceed by placing our ingredients on the table one by one. So we start the first ingredient. Okay, you can see the system has identified this as an avocado over here. It's also been weighed, and the weight of this is 100 grams. On the left hand side, this recipe menu has appeared. These are recipes suggested by the system based on the ingredients we have on the table. Recipes with a tick on them tell us that we already have everything we need to begin cooking, while those with an exclamation mark tell us that we have something missing. Okay, we can't cook that right now. So we'll continue by placing the rest of our ingredients on the table. Here. Here. And here. Alright. So now you notice that once there are more recipes on the table, the list of recipes has refreshed, and we are now presented with more options. So to start off, we shall take a look through everything here. See that there are actually a whole wide range of recipes available for us to cook. So we shall start off with the first recipe called onion chicken. Once you selected the recipe, the more detailed information appears. Exactly all the ingredients involved are shown in detail, and we are also given the chance to adjust the servings in case we are serving more than one person or less than that. So since we don't have ingredients for 2 servings or more, we shall stick with 1 serving. When we've decided that we want to cook this dish, we shall add it to the queue. You can see that this recipe has appeared in the queue. Alright, now that we've added one, we're going to go back to the main menu to look at other recipes. So you go press the main button. Now we are back to this screen. The next one you're going to look at is the ginger chicken. Now at this point, we'd like to introduce another feature of our table. It's called the favorites menu. The favorites menu shows all the users' favorite dishes. By marking dishes that the users are particularly interested in, it lets the users save them and refer to them later. We mark them by pressing the favorites button as shown. Now we go to the favorites tab. You can see that these are the dishes that we have favorited. The dish we just added, ginger chicken, is shown. Now we'd like to choose this chicken stew dish. As you can see, we are currently missing ingredients. First of all, we don't have enough chicken, and we're also missing potatoes and beans. So now when we try to add it to the queue, a confirmation pop-up appears warning us that we don't have enough ingredients, and they're asking us whether we'd like to cancel this or we'd like to proceed anyway. So in our case, we would like to proceed. We press the yes button. So the recipe appears in the queue over there. Now the last tab on the menu shows our ingredients list. It's actually a summary showing us exactly what we're missing at the moment. So for these 2 recipes in the queue, we are missing 500 grams of chicken, 45 grams of potatoes, and 350 grams of beans. If we press the details button, it shows us exactly what ingredients these recipes require and which ones are missing. Alright, now that we're done choosing our recipes, it's time to begin preparing them. So we shall move to the video tutorial stage by pressing the start button here. You can see this entire area becomes our preparation area. We'll move them according to make things easier for us. Now we can see that for the onion chicken recipe, all the preparation is split into several steps, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and each step has its own video. To begin, we shall start playing the tutorial for the first step, which is cut an avocado.
To cut an avocado, slice it in half lengthwise and separate the 2 pieces. Push in the half with the pit and a clean dish towel. That's for safety's sake. Rest it on the cutting board.
Now we're done cutting the avocado, we can set it aside. So move to the next step, which is chop an onion. Now we shall begin the video.
Chop it up first, slice off the top and cut it in half from the root to the top. Then peel off the stem. With a knife kept pointed towards the root, slice the onion straight in 1/2 inch.
Alright, now we're done. Shall stop this. Now we'll proceed to the next step. Before making sure we have everything ready first. Now we go to the final step of the video that we're showing, which is slice the ginger. Now we press play.
Ginger is an odd-shaped fruit that is not as unusual or exotic as you might think. Ginger is a distinctive flavor with a bit of a sharp tip. For sauces, marinades, and stir-fries, always use fresh ginger.
Okay, now we're done with all our preparations of our food. We're going to move them off to the cooking area. So we'll take everything off. Now, to shut down the table, all we have to do is to press the power button at the top right hand corner.